Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and install a power steering pump pulley yourself. In the description, I have links to tools that I have tested in the past and that I'm still using today. Anything you purchase through those links, a small portion helps this channel, and I appreciate that. So I went to use my power steering pulley from Snap-on, and it broke. It was old, so it was time for a new one. So I called Snap-on, got a price from him. He said about $150. So here at Auto Repair Tips, you know I love to test tools. So I went to Amazon, bought one for $22. That's right, $22. It just came in. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna test it out and see how it compares to the Snap-on. All right, let's go. This is the set I ordered. It just came in today. Got it from Amazon, and it was about $22. This is the remover. This is the installers. Just the initial look at it in general, if you're looking at it, it said the metal was high quality, high grade, but in feeling it and looking at it, it's average. It's average. I mean, you're not going to get but so many uses out of it, but what do you expect for $22? All right, let's see how well it works. Enough of the bullshit. It's really simple, very basic. This goes around the pulley. This goes inside here. Make sure it's together good. There's a secure ring. Slide it over. Hold it. Tighten it up just a little bit to get some pressure on it. You're going to take a wrench. You're going to hold the bottom nut. You're going to take your impact. You're going to screw it down. All right, guys, that's all there is to removing it. Now let's show you how to install it. All right, guys, after you line it up, you're gonna take the installer, you're gonna tighten it down just till it touches. You're gonna get a 14mm wrench. You're gonna hold the bottom nut. 14mm socket goes on top. Go together just like this. Nice and easy. The threads on these tools are like not doing very well. These threads suck. That's a good thing they gave us 2 bolts. Try the other one. Once you tighten it down till it's snug, you just take the installer, bring it up a little bit, and there you go. One power steering pump installed. All right, guys, that was your $22 power steering pulley installer. Overall, it did okay. The threads got a little compressed taking it off, so I don't know how many uses you'll get out of it. For $22, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't buy this one. Just looking at the threads and how the threads held up, it's not there. It's definitely not worth it. I will put what model this is in the description, so if you're looking for one, don't buy this one. All right, guys, guess I'll buy the Snap-on.